question of the day. The question of the day is... Oh, so which of the following is equal to -2 parentheses x minus 5? I hope you're not going to be like, you know, these are the options, right? That you have to choose one, right? I hope you're not going to be like A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. When you get tired on the letter, then that would just be your answer. I know you're going to do this. Whenever you have something outside a parenthesis, right? You have -2 outside. I'm just copying this one right here, right? And then you have what you have in the you have something in the parenthesis like that, right? What you have to do is you're gonna distribute. And when you distribute, and this is what you do. You take what you have outside, right? And multiply by each term inside the parentheses. So you're gonna have, or you're gonna do -2 times x. And -2 times x, when you multiply a number times a variable, the answer will always be the number with the variable. So -2 times x is -2x. And then you will take that same number that you have outside the parentheses, multiply by the second term inside the parentheses. So we did -2 times x, we have -2x. Now we're going to take this same -2 times -5. And negative times negative is a positive. So we have +10. So that would mean, what are you going to pick right here? What would be your answer right there? We got -2x plus 10. What is -2x plus 10? That is C. So our answer will be C. And that's it.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.